So hi guys, welcome to my channel. Andito tayo ngayon sa City Hall of Butuan City. We're celebrating the Christmas with beautiful lights and also with a night market with food and drinks. So nag-jogging muna tayo ng 30 minutes. After jogging, so pwede natin i-enjoy yung food. Ayan lang yung bazaar or food night market. Ito ibang pagkain at saka drinks doon. Simple lang dito, pero sobrang saya, ang daming tao at saka ang daming ma-enjoy na mga pagkain. So it's every day from Tuesday to Sunday. So it's Monday only that is day off. So actually guys, dito sa Butuan City Hall, mayroong car-free Sunday. So walang sasakyan na pwedeng dumaan dito. Ikot ka lang ng ikot. Kung gusto mo mag-jogging, sa ngayon is Christmas, so andito yung food night market, bazaar, may banda din doon. Kaya pwede mo ma-enjoy. So this is my hometown and minsan lang din ako nakaka-uwi dito every December. So I always maximize the city. So dito yung ginadjagin ko every day kasi ako nag-jogging. That's for tonight's jogging. Market is perfect for barkadahan at saka may maraming coffee shop dito at saka daming pagkain affordable lang.